Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit, and how are we liking it? I really tried with these freaking edges, okay? I cannot do edges for the life of me, but I tried for you guys. So let's get into the specs of this unit that I have on today. So today I have on a Sensational wig, and this is part of their Bare Lace collection, and this is in the style Unit 2, and this is a 13x6 lace wig, and this is in the color 1B. And this is just the definition of realistic hair, okay? Like, the curls are eating, and I love how natural this looks on me. Usually I don't really like to go for like curly hair wigs because I feel like I don't know how to manage them. But being that it's a curly haired wig, you don't really have to do too much to style them, and I really do like that. So with this unit, it does come pre-plucked, and it does come with baby hairs as well, but I like to go in and pluck the wig to my natural hairline. As you can see, I have a widow's peak, and I think it really looks super natural, so I had to do my edges all over again. Like I said, I do not know how to do edges, so I tried my best, and I think it looks decent. With this unit as well, it has a 20% larger grid pattern. It shows more skin compared to generic lace. The lace also dissipates light for a non-reflective matte finish, and the lace also has a tear-resistant fiber as well. Now with this unit, it is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has premium fiber if you would like to apply heat. Now I would just say the downside of this wig is, I say this all the time, like with sensational wigs, I have a hard time trying to get it to fit like my entire head. So literally, I'm going to show you guys because obviously this is a real review. Right here, I try to hide it the best that I can, and don't mind the edges on this side because they look crazy. But right here is where it stops on my head. On this side, I was able to pull it down a little bit more, but on this side, it's like it doesn't fit like my entire head. Other than that, yeah, that's the only thing that I experienced. The hair is beautiful. The curls are really super soft. Now, I did not separate any of the curls. I don't want to because I like how it is. I don't want it to be too big just yet. If you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. This completes day 2 of Wigmas. I have so much more in store for you guys, so look out for the next couple episodes in this series as well. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.